Hey Posh Partners, hey everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm working on some inexpensive Valentine's Day gifts. This will probably be more for a mature woman, a grown woman, 20s and up or whatever. That nice little bear. That's cute. Cute little bear. And box of Belgian chocolates and a spa kit. This is a shower gel, I'm sorry, and a lotion. Okay, and it's something quick and easy. And I got these, and for my gift basket designers, after the holidays, when candy and stuff goes on clearance, I got these. These are still good till 2025. So I'm using them this year, and that's going to be my base. Then we're going to put our bear on top. And then we're going to have our bear holding these items. Okay, then you can put a little bow around this to hold everything in place. Keep it like that. And cut it down. I'm not, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to cut it because I might need this for something else. Tie a bow. Isn't that cute? And take this off. Well, let's see. You could take this. I might keep the tag on, but see, I got this like for 80 cents. It's an $8 bear at Dollar General. I think I got this when they had their sales. So I got it really cheap. So take the price off. Keep everything else on there. Okay. Put it in a basket bag. You can't really see items well on camera when we put them in the bag, so I'm going to keep it out. Just make sure that everything's secure and you can see as much as you can. Got the little bear there, and then when you wrap it up, put the bow on top. Bring you guys up some. Oh, I forgot. Then you can tape down. Use your tape. I have some tape here. You can use glue dots to glue these down on the box. You can also kind of tape down the bear. Depends on, if you're going to be selling them outside. If you're going to be giving it like to a coworker or, a friend of yours. And just make sure everything is secure. Like this. Put some tape on the bottom. Stick it down like that. Like I said, don't forget, cut this. I'm going to use this ribbon again, so I'm not going to cut it on camera, but okay, and that. And you put it in your bag, put that pretty bow on top. And when you're taking pictures, because what I do, I take pictures of what I'm offering this year and I email them. I have an email list and I have a text list. And And so, you have everything, perfectly set up the way you want it. Take your beautiful pictures. And that's what I'm a big fan of. I'm not going out on the street. I'm not selling outside. Usually when I was skating, we would have, I would do vendor events at the skating rink. And I would set my stuff up there inside like that. I do deliveries. Like last year, I have videos of where I was delivering my stuff to people that ordered them from me. I reach out to them. And like I said, I've gone to like different businesses in my area. And I have stuff and they remember me. I leave a card and they'll contact me like the next time. Or if there's a birthday, they'll contact me. And so when you're taking your pictures, you can take pictures of each item individually and then a picture of them together. And then, let them know if you're going to have this bow available. Okay, and then you have a picture of it. You'll have a picture of it, all wrapped up as well. But those don't read well on camera. Okay, so that's a quick and easy 4-piece Valentine's Day gift. Chocolates. And how can you go wrong on Valentine's Day? Chocolates, a bear, and some self-care items. And you can also put, if you want, and have some balloons. You can put a balloon on this particular gift, or you have your balloons on the side. If you're selling, do you want a balloon with that? Now, for several years, I worked on a project. Have you guys heard of Pro Flowers? Where I worked behind the scenes, working with agents that were taking calls for that. If you call in, so, you want to order flowers, I was like doing the quality assurance behind the scenes, making sure that, everything was running smoothly. The agents were doing and, treating people correctly. If you ever called a customer service line, they go, this call may be recorded for quality assurance. There's a team of us that are behind the scenes, and we're making sure that, it is a quality experience for you guys. So that's what I did for a long time. So on Pro Flowers, the draw is the flowers. And that's why I concentrate a lot on flowers because they sell, people love them. So I have the foundation is flowers, and they go, oh, well, would you like a bear with that for $12.95 extra? Do you want a box of chocolates with that? Add an extra $10. Now your flowers that were $25 is now $35, $45. So do you want to, you want a bear with that? Would you like a shower gel with that? Would you like to upgrade your bow? So that's how I run my business too, as well. The draw, if I set up, the foundation is the flowers, and as they're there, would you like a balloon with that? It's just an additional $5. Would you like a bear? Would you like chocolates? So that's just how I roll for Valentine's Day. I keep it lean and mean. I'm not trying to sell everything. And then I do have catering clients I used to cater for. They go, will you make a batch of cookies and send them to this person? They love my cookies. And I will do that, So this is a quick and easy, beautiful way. If you don't want to, use Victoria's Secret, use your favorite. If you want to put something else, a candle here. Candle will be cute. Do that. And if, anything else. So this is just a good idea of using up stuff that you have. So like next year, like this year, February, like the day after. Now y'all know me, I'll go in the day after the holiday. I'll do 50% of something that was already reasonably priced. If it was something $4, I'll spend $2. Okay, because I'm not trying to build up a major stockpile. I have always enough for any vendor events that come up, any clients that call. I always have enough for that. Okay, so, you know, this was 80 cents for this bear. Uh, Probably 20 cents for the candy. I got these probably $2.50 each. And, you know, so I'm going to make a decent profit. This ribbon is expensive, but, you know, got the bags from Dollar Tree. These are 50 cents each. I loaded up on those before they went up to 125. I loaded up. Okay, guys, I just wanted to share that with you, give you some ideas and some inspiration. If you're, you know, selling a lot of, if you're a basket designer and you're selling a lot of gift basket, and you just need some quick things to put together. You got a bunch of bears, you got a bunch of candy on hand, and you got some like leftover. Pull it together like this. Tape it down, put it in a bag, put that bow on it, keep it moving. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I appreciate your support. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. We're all family here. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Posh and Gifted tribe. I would love to have you. All right, guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.